What is going on, YouTube? It has been a while since we filmed a video for you guys. That is partly because we're lazy and partly because my camera, I burnt the lens trying to weld too close to it, so my bad. I haven't liked the footage that I've been getting with that camera, so in the process of getting some new lenses for it, some new batteries and all kinds of stuff for it, so we will get better videos. But in the meantime, I have the GoPro Hero 8 Black, so we're gonna go ahead and make our own mount today. This is a handle from, I think it was like the tightening adjustment on a little Target tripod. It's a tripod that I don't use anymore, so took that part from it, threw the rest away. It happens to be the same thread pitch as the GoPro nuts that you would find on these mounts and stuff, so we're going to rob a nut from one of the mounts as well. We have two zinc coated spacers. I'm not too sure what they are from, but had them laying around, and a washer. This also came off with this handle here. And then we have a GoPro mount, so it has like a 2-prong to 3-prong with a nut on the end. And I went ahead and shoved in these are for dirt bike tubes, just that nut that holds the tube in there, and I have it wedged in between the 2 prongs just so it doesn't collapse on itself when we tighten it up and break. So yeah, those are all the parts we're gonna need. Basic assembly would just be, actually let's do, so both of those zinc coated spacers, and then this guy would go on. The way the nut is sitting in there, it's actually catching some threads, so we're just going to thread it on there. See if I can do it one-handed. Anyway, so just like that, and then we will put the washer on here. Jeez. Anyway, so washer can go on there, and then nut on top like so, and blam. So we have a handheld GoPro mount. The only thing we need is the tightening adjuster thing. So you are now on the stick. I hope you guys enjoy it up there. What is going on? What's up, dog? What's up, dog? You guys are way higher than me, bro. That's messed up, bro. That's messed up. Anyway, we have the car on, I was gonna say on the lift. We have the car in the garage. I wish I had a lift. And we were doing some maintenance. I was cleaning up the injectors. I have also been bringing the car inside because it is close to room temperature, about 65 degrees in here, and I have a battery that is starting to go out on me. This battery is 2 years old. It is an O'Reilly Auto Parts battery, so it's the Super Start, I believe, and it's supposed to be a 3-year battery. I've had it for 2. And it's just starting to not hold a charge in the cold months that we are hitting now. So I'm on the fence, either get a Braille lightweight battery, which I would still go with their heaviest one, which is like a 22-pound battery, or just get another Super Start battery from O'Reilly's. On one hand, it would be cool to shave some weight with one of those batteries. On the other hand, it's super expensive. And then on the other hand, this is not a race car, so you don't really need it. But yeah, I don't know. So on the fence about that. We might do it, we might not, but for now we're just going the charger method. So I just have it on the trickle charger at night, and then we pull it in the garage here and just let it sit so it doesn't get too cold and it charges a little bit better. But yeah, guys, I think that is basically it. This video, I just wanted to find a better way to do the vlogs and stuff. So I think we found it with this GoPro Hero 8 little handheld mount that we made. Hopefully it works out really well. It's definitely a lot easier than recording with my other camera, and I can give you guys a little bit more car content a lot easier. So hopefully you guys liked it. Let me know what you guys think of the GoPro vlogs. I know Cletus does it. I know there's a few other YouTubers that use these, and I think they work pretty good. They do have a media like little hookup for the camera, so you can put a mic and all that stuff, which I might do as well, just to make my life a little bit easier. And then we'll use the other camera once I get some other lenses We'll use that just for like edits and stuff. I need to get back into that. I don't know. I just want to up the quality of the stuff for you guys. Half the time, like, I do film a lot of stuff. Don't get me wrong, like, not that lazy, but I don't want to put it out because I don't feel like it is good content, I guess. There's no story behind it. Like, everyone that posts videos online usually posts like everything is in just such a good format and a story, and it has like a beginning, middle, and end. Literally, even like the projects, they're like start out with all the parts, boom, they're starting to install the parts, boom, they finish installing the parts, take it out for a test drive. It's awesome. Half the time I do that, I like get the parts, install them off camera so you guys can't see what I did, and then by the time I'm done, it's too dark and I don't feel like driving. So I just got to get back in that mindset and stop halfway filming stuff, so we get some quality content out there for you guys. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.